Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Auto Updates app in Play Store on Realme C67 device. Well, some users simply prefer to have manual control over app updates. They may enjoy the process of manually updating apps, reviewing the change, and being more involved in managing their device software. Okay, learn how to do that. Let's go to the tutorial. First step, you can go to the Play Store application on your device. Okay, and then here you can tap on Profile icon. After that, you can scroll down here, and then you can select the Settings option. Okay, and then here you can select Network Preferences, and then you can click on the second option. Well, after that, here you can choose to tap Don't Auto Update Apps. Okay, and then now the auto updates on Play Store is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off auto updates on Play Store on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.